Hi, and welcome to Wrong Way. And this is the unboxing of the Wolf Warrior 11 Plus. Let me tell you, let me show you more about it. Wrong Way. Alright, so this is the newest version, which is provided by Zwinne Miasto, so huge thanks to you guys for that. Today we're gonna just unbox it, we're gonna weigh the wolf. I don't know. Okay, alright, now it's calibrated. Alright, so we're just gonna weigh it, we're gonna see what's in the box, and there will be also a future review coming, and we will compare the Wolf Thunder to the Wolf Warrior once again. Oh, okay, so the package is 55 kilograms. And actually the height of the package is, I'm 180, so it's around like 175, 170. So it's a big package, obviously. And obviously if you're not unbox therapy, you just have a regular kitchen knife. Alright. Conduisez prudemment, casque obligatoire, ne pas conduire sur le trottoir. Oui, oui. I think that's just for the French market? I don't know. Oh yeah, that's a tool. By the way, this tool it's bending. Like when you turn a screw that is like really tight, then this metal can bend. So that's like not really high quality, but I'm happy they include that. And here we can see, oh yeah, that's the newest kickstand for the Wolf Warrior, and it's actually like super nice quality. Before they had like a super cheap version, and now it looks really good. It looks really sturdy. Nice. User manual, blah 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 blah, not important, blah blah blah. These things out. Oh wait, there's something more. Cool. Wolf Warrior badging. I think we have to yet like put it on the scooter. Oh boy, look at that. Okay, I think these are the chargers. One charger. Okay, that's the American plug. No need for that. And this is the charger, regular 2 amps. No, it's 1.75 amps. I think they changed it. Before there were like, 2 amps, now it's 1.75 amp output. Yeah, so this is the 11 Plus version. So it has 35 amp hours. It will charge in 20 hours, 0 to 100%. It takes a while. Better get the second charger. So it's all 5-watt lamps, 5 watts each. Very bright, but not as bright as the Dualtron X. Yeah, I think I have to like pull it out. Nope. I think it's a 2-person job. Come on, little wolf. Yeah, we did it. Okay, get it. Alright. Whew, that thing is heavy. And it will never be so beautiful again. It will be all covered in mud, right? How fast?
1 hour.
Oh. Alright, so obviously we have to put on the steering, the handlebars. Okay. It's not so easy to fold and unfold. And here's the... And here you can see actually from, look from the other side, So this is just the mechanism to secure that the scooter like won't fold on you when you're driving. And here on the other side, check out from here, you can see a small screw, and here you can tighten up the steering column of the Wolf. So now it's like totally loose. We need to tighten the screw. The best would be to fold it again, and we can tighten the screw. And I had to like get this thing a little further out, so I have to unscrew this part and get this part out. And now it should be fine. Yeah, close it down. Check if it'll fit now. Okay, so that's a little too much play. Oh no, it's good now. Yeah, it's stiff. No, it's good. All right. So that's it for this part of the assembly. I hope we'll never have to fold it again. Come on. Now we press here. Perfect. Yeah, stiff like hell. I like it. All right. So now we can move on to... We have to undo all these screws to put the handlebars in. I can see actually that the lights are like on the side. We have to like tilt them. Yeah, now it's good. Cables on this side. Okay, and now put them back in place. Let's see the brakes. Brakes might also be okay, the front brake looks better. Just screw this in. You can see here there are these stripes to align your steering, your handlebars, so I just did it wrong. It shouldn't be visible on either side. On this should be right. Here you can see them a bit. So remember to tighten these. You can also like do this one at a time. Okay, this tool is, you know, just can't do it. I'll do this properly later, like don't worry about it. So now, time to assemble the kickstand. And it has no screws. Hopefully they're here. Yep, here they are. So you have these two screws. You can see the underbody is actually totally flat. There are no radiators for anything. So it's not like the Dualtron Thunder or the Dualtron X, which has like proper radiators for the controller. We can mount it. How is it mounted? So this is like extended. Shouldn't it be on the other? No, that's not right. Yeah, that seems right. We can also already check if the lighting works. Oh yeah! So, scooters are alive. I'm happy that these things work. Okay, that's fine. That's fine. That'll do. Good. So now you can see the ports, charge ports right here. These are GX16, I think. Yeah, GX16 ports. Right here. And here's the switch for the lights again. Lights work. There are also additional lights here, you can see. And yeah, this is just a single light in the rear. Let's put this baby up. And does it turn on? Yay, it turns on. There's 58 volts. So it's like 60%, I think it's actually less than 60%. Okay, last thing to do, tire pressure. I'm using this fancy thing. I still have it from Geek Buying. You can buy it below. Pressure, I think it's 45 psi, 50 psi actually. I'll do 45 psi. And these are actually tube tires, so in comparison to the Dualtron Thunder, these are should be a bit softer, I think. Okay, what's the pressure now? 18. Perfect. Oh, this one is actually higher, 30. Oh, that was fast, alright. So tire pressure is right, lights are shining. Here we can see the lights are also properly adjusted. We can just make them a bit tighter. Yeah, with another tool. This is completely useless. Let me just adjust the steering wheel real quick. I mean the handlebars. So. Or, no, look, it's right now. Okay, so that is how it should be. Boom. Now we tighten it down. It's always better to have a longer tool because it's better access. And now I have to move these parts out of the way a bit. This throttle is like way too high. I have to put it down a little. First I have to move the brake a little. So the brake a little down. Perfect. And now we need to move the iComputer, the iDisplay a little. Just with these two. And this one as well. Oh, that should be good. Yeah. So everything seems fine now. The brake is in the right spot. Left one is a bit too high. I can pull it down maybe. Just for the sake of it. Oh, this one was very loose. Okay, now it's the same height as well. This one as well. Yeah, maybe we'll do this one as well if you're so like... Okay, boom. 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 Yeah. So the Wolf is fully assembled. Now we just need to charge it. Remember to plug in the charger to the wall plug first, then to the scooter. And if you're still here, thank you. Subscribe to see more content like this. And I'll see you in the next video. See you soon.